Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. This is not a tutorial video. This is a real talk update about my course, the After Effects User Guide. Here's the deal. I worked really hard for several months to create this course called the After Effects User Guide, and I thought it came out great. I know you hear this a lot, but honestly, I tried to create the course that I wish I had when I was first learning After Effects, and I actually think that I achieved that goal. The problem isn't with the course itself. The problem is with the creator of the course. Admittedly, I am a terrible self-promoter. Marketing, selling, promoting my own content, that is something that I really struggle with. And if you want to sell a course or a digital product online, newsflash, you need to actually tell people that it exists, which I did not do a good job of. So the result was when I launched the course, there was not a big crowd of people busting down the doors to press the buy button. Surprise, surprise. And my current situation is that I am paying $149 a month to host my course on Kajabi, and the sales are not justifying that expense. So I have decided that I am going to take the course off of Kajabi, and I'm going to put the entire course on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to give you the entire course 100% free. Now, because of the YouTube algorithm, which I really have no idea exactly how it works, I don't want to publish the entire course all at once, as I have a feeling it's going to kind of confuse things. For those of you who have been following my channel and my content for a while, first of all, thank you, but you've probably noticed that I've been transitioning to more AI-focused content, and that is intentional. This channel and my entire content since I started in 2015 has always been I teach what it is that I am actually doing for my own business, my own brand, in the hopes that I can help others who are also on the same journey. So I am on the AI train for sure, and that is what the content I'm going to be making moving forward. Now, I love After Effects, I love all the Adobe stuff, so if I'm able to bridge the gap between AI and the Adobe stuff, which I will do, I'm absolutely going to teach animation and After Effects stuff as well, but again, I am going to be definitely moving to more AI focused content. So that being said, I don't want to dump the entire course all at once and just have the algorithm like, wait a minute, I thought he was teaching AI stuff, now he just released 35 videos all at once on After Effects. So what I'm going to do is just publish, I think 1 to 2 videos a week until the entire course is live. I'm going to put it all in one playlist. When it's all published, you'll be able to watch the entire course from start to finish. There's 5 modules. I think there's 35 or 37 lessons. The course is going to be 100% free. I just wanted to give you a heads up so you didn't think that I was like losing my mind just publishing things all over the place. There is a plan. The bad news was the After Effects User Guide course was a flop on my end. The good news is I can now give it away for free, and hopefully it'll help people the same way that I wanted to when I was charging for it. So hopefully it's a win-win for everybody in the long run. Now you know, when you start seeing After Effects User Guide videos mixed in with AI content, that is the reason why. So thank you for your time, thank you for your understanding, and thank you for your support. But my name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.